Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is how do you sell your stock on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell your stock on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you made some significant gains on one of your stocks and you want to go ahead and cash out, or maybe you're just moving some investments around. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, all handled here in the Cash App. It's this green app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App and it should bring you right here to the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you would like to sell your stock on Cash App, you want to look down here towards the bottom. You want to hit the investing button. It's this kind of squiggly little arrow right here. Once you click there, it's going to show your current portfolio, but in order to sell your stock on Cash App, you want to scroll down until you get to your investments. Once you're here, then you can go ahead and choose which stock you would like to sell on Cash App. So for this video, I'll sell a little bit of my Moderna, so I just have a small amount, just $6.99. Once you've chosen which stock you would like to sell on Cash App, you get these two options, buy or sell. Today we are selling stock on Cash App, so I'll click on sell. Next, you can choose how much of your Moderna stock you would like to sell. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to sell $1 worth of my Moderna stock. And you can do that by clicking one of these quick buttons, or you can choose to sell all of your Moderna stock, or you can click on these three dots right here and then choose something specific to you, like $1.25 or so. So again, for me, I'm just going to sell $1 worth of my Moderna stock. So I'll click on next. Next, you're going to get this confirmation screen. It lets me know the funding source, where it's going to go. It's going to go into my Cash App. Also lets me know the order type is going to be a market sale. The current approximate share price of Moderna is $304.89. So I will be selling approximately 0.003 shares of my Moderna stock. Also lets me know there are government fees. It looks like for this transaction, it's going to be 1 cent. So if all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on schedule or sell. And then next you'll get this confirmation screen. So it lets me know that I have decided to sell $1 worth of my Moderna stock on Cash App. My order will be placed on Monday at 8:30 because I am placing this trade after trading hours. I'm actually recording this on a Saturday. So if you place that trade during regular trading hours, then you would normally be able to sell your stock immediately on Cash App. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to sell your stock on Cash App, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.